back to Jess Fashion 101. I'm Jess and I make makeup and fashion videos, so please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you like those types of videos. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on this super cute beachy wavy hair that I do most of the time, and it's my iconic look, and I'll be doing it with this new Imovie Octagon wand that I just got. So a little background, I've only owned one curling iron in my entire life since I was in high school, and it was a super cheap old school $20 Conair wand with the little clamp, and I just had to update it. So this is my first wand in like 10, probably 11, 12 years. So I just loved it. It saved me time. It has so many attachments for you to get different types of looks, and it's just super easy to use and very user friendly for all ages. So if you guys like these types of videos, please go ahead and keep watching along so I can show you guys how I got these beautiful beachy hair. So what you will need the Imovie Octagon, a paddle brush, a comb, and your favorite hair oil. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this attachment and it heats up super fast. I'll be using the glove, these brushes, and again, like I said, the attachment attaches super easily and you just turn it on and it heats up really fast. So first step, you grab your comb and part your hair any way that you usually want to do it. I typically like to do it in the middle. I feel like that is the best way for my shape and my type of hair. Once your hair is parted, I like to push all my hair to the front so that it helps me brush it out completely. You don't want any tangles in your hair because it makes it so much easier when you're curling. Next, I just section out my hair so that I know what sections I'm going to be curling next. I just pin back the rest of my hair that I'm not curling, and then I go ahead, put on my heat protecting glove, which makes it so much easier to curl, and I just go ahead and curl and wrap the hair out away from my face so that it creates a beautiful curl that kind of frames my face. I hold it for about 15 seconds, like I said, super fast, the fastest I've ever had, and let it down, and it creates the most beautiful waves. And then you just go ahead and repeat all those steps until you've done all of one side. So now you see a glimpse of how it should kind of turn out, and what you do is you move on to the other side and you repeat the steps, but you just switch the glove to your other hand so that it's easy for you to curl away from your face. And what I typically like to do is I like to go back and revise my hair and just kind of see if anything needs a little bit of help or needs like a redo, just to make sure that it all looks even. I typically don't like really tight curls, so I usually use my hands and run them through a couple times to kind of loosen up the hair and make it look a little bit more relaxed. Then I go ahead and add a few drops of my favorite oil onto my hair from mid to ends, and this really helps it look super healthy, especially since my hair is color treated. Then I give it a couple tosses again to help with that kind of more messy, relaxed look. I comb out a few of the frizzies that I have at the top of my head, and you're done with this awesome hairstyle that you can wear to long walks to the kitchen. Definitely impressed with this curling iron and definitely recommend. I really hope you guys love this tutorial on how to get these really awesome beachy waves. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram is listed down below. And as always, I love you guys, and toodles.
I just realized the fan noise is going to be in the background.
I feel like this is the hottest day. Why did I choose the hottest day to freaking do this?
So do a clap that they think. No, just one clap.